are getting 404s on your WordPress site on all pages except for the homepage when you upgrade MAMP. I have the solution for you. So I create this site. This is the site I use for testing. I teach testing QA automation, and we built a site like this and we used to practice. And I just upgraded MAMP, and all of a sudden all the pages were 404. So I'm showing you right now it's working. What we need to do is we need to change it to post name for us to be able to automate this page. Well, automate the API. To be able to use a WooCommerce API, it has to be post name. So go to settings, permalink, and post name. If you're getting 404, you probably have post name. That's why you're getting a 404. If you have it on plain or any other one, it would work. Actually, I don't know about other ones, but plain by default, it will work. So change it to post name, save it. You have to do that to be able to use the API. Now you go to your page and refresh. Homepage is fine. You go to cart, 404. You go to any other page. You go to my account, 404. All right. So that started happening since we upgraded MAMP. How do you fix it? There's just one line that is commented out that we just have to uncomment. So you would go to your installation, go to applications, right? MAMP and conf and Apache. So we're going to update something in the Apache configuration. In Apache, there is this httpd.conf, right? That's the main config for Apache. Just open that. You can open it in, normally I wish Sublime shows up here, but I'm just going to open it in text edit. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And there's a line that I'm going to get from my note. Let me see if it's here. It's right here actually, because I just did it preparing for this. There's this line here, right? Rewrite module right here, load module. I'll put it in the description. You'll find this line in the description. So open that document and search for that. It's commented out, right? Before it wasn't, apparently. Just uncomment that, save it, and restart you. I'm going to open MAMP, I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to restart it. And that just fixes it. So try that out. It should work for you. And let me know, put that in the comment if it worked for you or not. I couldn't check it on Windows, but I'm not sure if this is the same issue or not. If you're running into this issue on Windows, try the same thing. So quickly to summarize, while the servers go up, the issue is you get 404 if you have the permalink set to post name, which you have to do that in order for the APIs to work. And I work with a lot of the APIs. So to solve that, you go to your configuration. Go to where you install MAMP. For me, it's application MAMP, conf, Apache, httpd.conf. Once you open that, load this line, this rewrite module line, which I'll put in the description, and make sure it's uncommented. Right? If it's commented out, uncommented. If it's uncommented out and you're running into this issue, maybe it's a whole different thing, because this just worked for me, right? That's it. And save it, restart the server. Now, if we go here and we refresh and we go to cart, it works. We go to checkout, it works. If we go to my account, it works. So that's the fix. All you got to do is make sure that line is uncommented. That's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you didn't spend a lot of time trying to figure it out. ChatGPT helped a lot. I figured it out in a fair amount of time. Without AI, I think that would have took a long time. But this is a common thing. I've seen threads about this. So hopefully this actually will help you out.